Hindi kayo manakot. Yes! Paldo! They call it the future of money. Buti na lang talaga, sinugal ko yung tuition ko sa crypto na yan. Kailangan ko lang talagang pagsabay ng pag-aaral at pag-crypto.
Guys, I made 3 months tuition in 2 hours by the use of crypto. Why study if I'm earning, right? Well, useless lang ang pag-aaral.
It's easy money, man. Don't get left behind.
Magbayad sa bakay kuryente.
Saan galing ka, anak?
Okay, class, what is failure? What is failure?
AJ, here's something. Hindi ka ba kumakain? And you haven't spoken to us in days. Look at your hands. Nanginginig ka na.
Can you shut up, ate? Anong pakialam mo? Ininvest ko dito lahat ng pera at oras ko. Hindi para masayang lang.
AJ, okay ka lang?
Yeah. I thought I was just building a future while staring at my screen. Well, life passed by.
EJ, tools lang ang technology. It can build you up. Pero wag mo kayang itong sisira sa pagkatao mo.
We thought technology was a shortcut to the future, a way to skip the hard work of a degree. But we learned the hard way that there are no guarantees in the easy way. Technology can help us build, but we shouldn't let it destroy who we are. If you ask us now, diskarte o diploma, why choose? Use technology to power your dreams, but let education be the anchor that keeps us from drifting away.